We're going to be mounting this skid plate to our L3 Sprinter project. Come along. Included in the kit is the skid cover itself, the brackets and a bolt kit. First step is mounting these two brackets together. That's done by taking the two M6 carriage bolts, fitting them through the brackets, and they have a square that aligns with the bolts themselves. Then you can easily put on the two washers and the lock nut to fit these two together. Before tightening these nuts completely, lay it down on a flat surface so that everything lines as it should. Before you mount this assembly to the skid plate, make sure that you put the two M8 carriage bolts in beforehand, else there is no space to do that. A tip, put a nut on these M8 to make sure that they don't completely fall through the holes again. Now, mounting this assembly to the main plate, you take the countersunk screws, insert them through the slots on the bottom, and fasten with a washer and a lock nut. Now you can take these brackets, insert them like this, and with a countersunk screw, a washer again, and another lock nut, you can mount these already. Do the same for the other side. And now you can take this assembly and go to your van. Now underneath the vehicle, you can take the brackets, fit them around the differential case. And now you can put the front bracket in place as well. Now all you need to do is tighten up these bolts. Now why would you want to have this skid plate? Simple. That's because the standard rear differential has a flaw when driving off-road, and that is that the back plate can have rocks catching it. When that happens, it will be torn off from the entire differential casing and you will lose the differential oil. Not good when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Our differential skid plate takes care of this issue for you. It will protect the back plate and thus will make sure you get home safely. Now we have installed our differential skid plate. Stay tuned for more updates on our L3 Sprinter project. Make sure to like, follow and leave a comment down below if you want to see something extra.